Hey guys, Jules here from Sprint Booster. Today we're doing another install on the 2019 Ford Expedition. As you've requested, you want to see this installed on a 3.5 liter EcoBoost because every now and again, even the EcoBoost needs a Sprint Booster. Okay, at this point you're going to need to connect the selector switch to the Sprint Booster. As always, you're going to want to open the door, move about 20 feet away from the vehicle with the key fob in your hand, and for 10 minutes, let the CAN bus reset. This allows the computer to recognize the new Sprint Booster that you will install. This particular Ford pedal has a small red tab that retains the factory harness into the pedal. To remove the harness from the pedal, you simply pull up on the tab and pull it out. Now that the harness is removed, simply install the Sprint Booster into the pedal. Next, install the Sprint Booster into the harness. Don't forget, when you're installing the Sprint Booster, you press down on the red tab. This allows the harness to lock. To initially turn on the Sprint Booster, you're going to press the silver button here in the middle. Now we're in sport mode, and now we're in race mode. To access different levels, you're going to simply press the left and the right arrows to either decrease or increase the level of responsiveness. So we're going to place this right on Sprint Booster's most aggressive setting. We're going to see how she goes. You ready?
All right.
Okay, so this is not exactly a sports car, but it seems to be sending my cohorts here flying around the cabin the more I drive it, which it kind of does remind me of a sports car in that sense. It's definitely woken the car up quite a bit, and it makes it much more than just a daily driver SUV. It's very enjoyable to drive at this point. I'm having a lot of fun. Oh wow. Okay, so definitely this the Sprint Booster is absolutely playing very well with the EcoBoost here. This almost reminds me a little bit of Focus ST or something at this point. It's very snappy. This is very fun. So this is the beauty of having the V3 on the Sprint Booster V3 on a turbocharged car is you get even more low-end response, and then the turbo carries you up through the rev bands as it goes up. So, guys, thanks for watching. That is the Sprint Booster V3 install on a 2019 Ford Expedition. For any other questions, comments, concerns, please email us or call in to sprintboosterusa.com.